So I'm just doing some finishing off work on the excavator, and you know me, I don't mind a bit of wild bite. And I have a stick for good reason. Look at this beastie. I have not seen one of these things yet. Look at it. It is... how long is it? It's up past that notch on that stick. Oop. And that notch on that stick is that long on my finger. So yeah, he's a sizable hairy spider. Look at him. Again, probably completely harmless unless you're a bug. But oh yeah, he's stretched out there. He's a lot bigger than I thought. He was a bit curled up there. So he's way past that notch on that stick. So, just trying to gauge a size for everybody. It doesn't like the stick, which is understandable. There you go. Creepy, crawly, big bugger. I'm not going to hurt him. I'll get him out of the way. As much as I don't like spiders, I've got me in a big rock. There's a rock in between me and him, and a stick. But anyway, there. Come on, Spidey. Let's get you out of this area that I'm dozing. Look at him go. There he goes. He's lucky there's no birds around, because they'd be... I've got a butcher bird that follows me everywhere. He's lucky that there's no butcher bird. There's that stick again for sizes. So that stick is, so you can tell, he's a sizable spider. Oh, excuse me again. There we go, he's off. He's got a safe home in between some rocks there now, ready to ambush a bug. Well, there you go. They told me they were on this property. I said, have you seen one yet? No, but last day, got to see one.